Hi, Julian here from the SERP.NET team. In this video, I'm going to do a quick demo of the new dashboard view. To access your dashboard, simply log into your account and you will be directed to the dashboard page. If you are already logged in, click on the SERP logo at the top left. This is the existing dashboard view where you can see useful metrics and statistics, including Moz metrics, Majestic metrics, the number of backlinks, the number of referring domains, and more of all the sites you've added to Site Manager in a single table. Well, we created a new view for you. To access it, simply click on the slider located here. As you can see, this new view uses a different layout. Each site has its own dedicated section, which includes a snapshot of the website, as well as key metrics like the domain authority, Moz rank, trust flow, number of backlinks, number of referring domains, as well as overtime graphs, so you can easily check progress over time, which you can't do in the other view. If you have connected to Google Search Console inside Manager, you can also see impressions over time. Just to confirm, this data comes from Google Search Console. If you have connected to Google Analytics, you can see visits over time. As you would have guessed, this data comes from Google Analytics. So quite different from the simple table view, as you saw earlier. Note that you can customize this new dashboard. In other words, you can choose which data you want to display or hide. To do so, click on the cog icon located on the right. Then tick the columns you want to see and untick the ones you want to hide. For example, you might want to view Moz metrics, but not Majestic metrics. And as you can see here, the trust flow column has been removed. You can of course add it back if you want to. You can also run an audit for this website by clicking the Run SEO Audit button located at the top right, as well as access several popular tools by clicking on the three dot icon. These are like shortcuts. You can even add sites to your favorites by clicking here, so they appear at the top. Let's do it for this site here. And we can see a little star here, meaning it's been added to favorites. Please note that this is an early version of the new dashboard view. There might be more data available at the time you watch this video. If the data you want to see is not available here, don't hesitate to let us know and we will do our best to add it. Just in case you're wondering, if you don't like this new view, you can keep using the old one of course. We're not planning to remove the old view. You can choose between the old view and can change at any time. Alright, I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to contact our friendly support team by clicking here and on Submit a Ticket.